Chimi sana nemo ba ECD kurwase county ya Siaya niga basokire na kugania serikali ya county eyo kubaka na Eng'Eria yabo yamentukanirwo ikachimi lonchitari chinke aboroki ause aboroki abo bakorogwa n'umunyekero wa Baraka Mondi niga bamuchire serikali ya county ase okobaeba abwase bachire gose bachire guika egeka EMIAKA 3 bataranyora nonya netongoro.
There is no equality. We feel that there is no equality among the teachers. Some teachers are being treated special apart from other teachers. We see that some teachers are called for induction trainings, others are left behind. We see that some teachers are being paid salaries, some teachers are missing salaries. And this has just come because there is this what we call irregular employment of teachers in Siaya. We know very well that it is the responsibility of the Public Service Board to announce vacancies for the teachers to be employed, but this has not been going well. You just see a teacher is given deployment letter. You don't know where that announcement was made, and this teacher is going to stay in a center for almost a year without being paid. And even if they are paid, you'll find that a section will be paid, another section will be missing salaries. And again, you realize when others are getting arrears, others are not getting their arrears. So we feel that there is that disparity. People are not treated equally. You find that teachers, again, are forced sometimes to go deep into their pockets to sponsor trainings that should be the responsibility of the government to do. You find that teachers are even sponsoring material development, which should have been the work of the government or the education department to provide. So we feel these things are not doing well on our side, and we come out strongly. We came to visit the governor, but we could not get that time. But we want to leave the message that we will come back again if these things cannot be rectified.
We are out here to demand that those arrears that have been missing since 19th May 2023 to February 2024, can they kindly pay us our arrears? Some other employees who are employed like last year have already received their arrears, and it is not fair for being an ECD teacher. We are all ECD teachers and we are not being treated fairly. Secondly, I'd like to talk about our gratuity. Kindly work on those issues. We were employed in 2016 by the Honorable Colonel Rasanga on a temporary basis. The letters were never renewed, which is not the fault of the ECD teacher. The letters should be worked on so that we get our gratuity up until 2023 when we were given permanent and pensionable letters.